Next, distinguish between microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis. Formation of the microspore. Formation of the microspore, which is haploid. In turn, by meiosis is called as microsporogenesis. Formation of the megaspore by meiosis is called as megasporogenesis. Next, the microspores formed are arranged in a tetrad. See how they are arranged. The megaspores formed are arranged linearly. ऐसा था. इधर देखो. Next, the microspores formed are, and all the 4 haploid microspores are functional. Out of the 4, only 1 is functional. Found in the microsporangium or pollen sac. Found in the megasporangium or nucellus. Correct. Then comparison between male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Formation takes place from the pollen grain or microspore. Formation takes place from spore. Development is partially completed in the anther and partially on stigma. Development is completely completed in the ovule. The pollen tube protrudes out of the pollen grain carrying the male gametes. The female gamete is present within the ovule. It is 3-celled structure. It is 7-celled and 8-nucleated structure. It has development. It shows the development taking place partially before pollination and after pollination. That is pre-pollination, post-pollination, 3 cells. Development is continuous. It degenerates after fertilization. It forms zygote and nucleus after fertilization. This can come in our boards. Distinguish between male and female gametophyte for 2 marks. 4 points, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are there. You consider any 4 points. Correct? Choice is yours. We don't have any objection. The next unit which you have over here is something pertaining to pollination. 1 second, I'll just organize these pages of yours and I'll go for the pollination part. Okay. Right from school level, you are aware. Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma. A big question mark, which stigma? It could be stigma of the same flower. Stigma of but same plant. Stigma of another flower, another plant, but same species. Or it could be stigma of another flower, another plant, another species. Now, when it is transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same plant or another flower of the same plant, these two are grouping together to form the word said pollination. Transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another flower, another plant, either of the same or another species. These two are grouping to form the word cross-pollination. Now, individually, they have some meaning over here. If it is the same plant, we call it as autogamy. Auto means self, gamy is marriage. If we have another plant but same plant, we call it as getonogamy. Wherein geton is neighboring, gamy is marriage. Another flower, another plant but same species. It is called as xenogamy. Gamy means marriage. Xeno is unknown. Another plant, another species. It is called as hybrid. In simple terms, I can tell you. Same flower. करेक्ट, अपने ही घर में अपने कजन्स वगैरह आए हैं, वहीं पे आपका एडजस्टमेंट हो गया, you all fell in love, you all get married. Correct, in the same family it is. So same flower. Correct, so we call it as autogamy. Next, it is another flower but same plant. Maybe you are staying on the first floor, 10th floor, या 15th floor, whatever the floor is. You may be second floor. आपका adjustment हो गया. You like that person, X, Y, Z, whatever it is, male, female, जो भी होने दो. According to your own sex, whatever that person is, you liked it, and you all had good friendship. You all were good friends. Ultimately, you all got married. That is a neighboring marriage because it is same building. Correct? That was same family. This is same building. Now I am saying another plant, but same species. अपने दादा दादी, माँ बाप देख के आए थे, दादा दादी ने एक दूसरे को देखा भी नहीं था, शादी के दिन जब घूंघट देख खोला तभी पता चला कैसे, तभी का आवाज भी नहीं सुना था, वो किधर थे, आजकल तो मोबाइल है, वीडियो कॉल्स है, वो टाइम पे कुछ नहीं था, पेरेंट्स फिक्स करके आए हैं और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स फिक्स करके आए हैं, ये लोग हाँ भाई हामी भर दिया, शादी हो गया, अननोन मैरिज. Another one is another plant, another species. A dog getting married to a, having sex with a cat, donkey having sex with horse. Another species one totally. Correct? So this in turn we call it as hybrid. So the last two, xenogamy and hybrid, are said to be cross-pollination, whereas first two are autogamy and geitonogamy are said to be self-pollination. अभी आपके लिए वैसा क्वेश्चन आता है, किसी जमाने में, मैं बोलती हूँ किसी जमाने में, आप लोग पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे, March 91 में, I am telling you the time also. In the board, 8-mark question had come. No diagram was there. Normally 8-mark question के लिए diagram होता है, उधर diagram नहीं था. Define pollination, state the types of pollination, note on the merits and demerits. ये definition हो गया, types भी हो गया, correct? तो इनके लिए अपना 2 mark. Correct? Now, merits and demerits, answers will be given by you all. I will not be giving the answers. Answers will be given by you all. 1 second, I'll just fold this page so that I can ask you all. And after division, nothing else. Okay, this is self-pollination. This is for cross-pollination. आपके बोर्ड में क्वेश्चन था, add a note on the merits and demerits. Merits, demerits, merits, demerits. You are going to help me out in writing this answer. Please be careful, my dear friends. When there is a transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma, either of the same plant, flower or on the another flower but of the same plant, do you think there will be wastage of pollen grains? Answer.
Yes.
Good evening. There will be wastage of pollen grains. Good evening,
Yes,
Sanket.
ma'am.
Miss over there. Please see that you will be unmuting the students. Please unmute the students. They have to answer me. Okay. When there is a transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma, either to the same flower or another flower but of the same plant, do you think there will be wastage of pollen grains? My dear, please answer properly. Wastage of pollen grains?
Yes, ma'am.
Wastage will be there. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We'll proceed further with the next point. Gain from the anther to the stigma, either of the same flower or another flower, but of the same plant. Do you think that the flower has to be extraordinarily attractive to waste its and will be wasting its energy to be ordinarily attractive and sweetly fragrant?
Ma'am, I did not your question.
When there is a transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower, same plant, do you think the plant has to waste energy for being extraordinarily attractive or having sweet fragrance?
No.
No. What type of pollination was this? What type of pollination was this?
Autogamy.
Self-pollination, na?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Now, is it a merit or a demerit? No wastage of energy for being active. Is it a merit or a demerit? वो
Merit.
advantages है कि disadvantages है?
Advantages.
Advantages है. So no wastage of being energy for being attractive. No wastage of energy for being attractive. When there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma or another flower but of the same mother plant, do you think there will be wastage of pollen grains?
Yes.
एक आंसर दो, मेरे को दो आंसर मिला, नो एंड यस.
Yes,
एक ही आंसर
ma'am.
दो. Yes, there will be wastage of pollen grains. Ample amount of wastage or least wastage?
Least.
If it is the same flower, तो wastage कहाँ से हो रहा है? If it is on the same flower, तो wastage कहाँ पे होगा? अब बोलो, होता है कि नहीं होता है?
No.
No wastage of pollen grains. So is it a merit or a demerit?
Merit.
Huh? It's a merit or a demerit? Advantage. Yes.
Advantages. Merit.
It is for advantage for what? Self or cross pollination?
Self-pollination.
No wastage of pollen grains. Okay. Next, when there is a transfer of the anther from, when there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or the neighboring flower, do you think the flower requires an external agent? जैसे मेरा शादी फिक्स करने का है, तो मैट्रिमोनियल ब्यूरो में जाना पड़ेगा, पंडित के पास जाना पड़ेगा, external agents are required. So do you think here they require any external agent?
Yes.
Huh? When there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but of the same plant, is any external agent
No,
required?
ma'am. No.
No external agent required, correct? So is it
Yes,
a merit
ma'am.
or a demerit?
Merit.
For which?
Autogamy.
Correct. So no agent required. No agent required. Next. When there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another flower, another plant, either of the same species or different species, do you think their flowers have to waste, the plant has to waste its energy for being attractive and sweetly fragrant?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a merit or a demerit?
Demerit.
For which type of pollination?
Cross.
Correct. stage of energy. For being attractive. When there is a transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another plant, either of the same species or different species, do you think there will be wastage of pollen grains?
Yes.
Merit or demerit?
Demerit.
Which type of pollination?
Cross pollination.
Wastage of pollen. When there is a transfer of the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another plant, either of the same species or different species, do you think it requires agent?
Yes.
Is it a merit or a demerit?
Demerit.
For which pollination?
Cross.
Correct. Agent required. Now, go further. When there is a transfer of the pollen grains, from the anther to the stigma flower or another flower but the same mother plant, do you think the progenies will be weaker or stronger? बच्चे strong होंगे, weak होंगे?
Weak.
Progenies will be weaker. Is it a merit or a demerit?
Demerit.
Which type of pollination?
Cross pollination.
Transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but of the same plant. Which type of pollination is that?
Cross pollination.
Means आपके सामने पड़ा है. Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but of the same plant.
Self pollination.
Self pollination. So that is a demerit for self pollination. Progenies are weaker. बच्चे weak होंगे. Progenies are weaker. ठीक है? Next, when anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but the same mother plant, do you think there will be new characters introduced into it?
No, ma'am.
Variations will be possible.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
New characters means variation. Are variations possible?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
When there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower but of the same plant, do you think there will be variation possible? Over there.
No, ma'am. No.
Now you are saying yes, 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 Kabhi se. So changes are not possible. Correct? Is it a merit or a demerit? Is it a merit? Demerit. Demerit for which type of pollination?
Self-pollination.
Okay. No variations occur. No variations observed. Okay. As there are no variations observed, do you think this particular type of pollination is going to help for evolution?
No.
It will not help for evolution. Correct or no? So it does
Yes,
not
ma'am.
help for
Yes, ma'am.
evolution. That is a demerit. Agreed. Now go to the next one. When there is a transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of another flower, another plant, either of the same species or different species, do you think the progenies will be stronger over here?
No.
Do you think the progenies will be stronger over here?
No, ma'am.
Why no?
Because it is of different species.
हाँ, सो क्या हो गया, तो स्पीशीज का कुछ अच्छा कैरेक्टर भी आ जाएगा ना उसको,
हाँ मैम।
Yes,
प्रोजेनी तो
ma'am.
स्ट्रॉन्गर होएगा ना, प्रोजेनी
Yes, ma'am.
स्ट्रॉन्गर, दैट इज अ मेरिट ऑफ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. Next, when there is a transfer of the pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another plant, either of the same species or different species, do you think variations can occur?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it a merit or a demerit?
Merit.
Variations observed. Does it help in evolution? You just see very carefully, whatever we have written, the other one is opposite of it. जो इसका demerits है,
Yes,
उसका
ma'am.
opposite उसका merits है. जो इसका demerits है, उसका opposite merits है. बराबर है?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी एग्जाम में ये 4 मार्क के लिए आ सकता है, पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं, ये 8 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था उस जमाने में. अभी का पेपर में आपका 8 मार्क का कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है, सो फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. मैक्सिमम वी कैन कम फॉर 4 मार्क्स. दे कैन आस्क यू डिफाइन पॉलिनेशन, स्टेट द टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनेशन. करेक्ट, खाली डेफिनेशन देने का है पॉलिनेशन का और उसका टाइप बताने का है. देन दे कैन आस्क यू ऐड अ नोट ऑन द मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स, either of cross pollination or of self pollination, or they may tell you add a note on the merits of cross pollination and self pollination, or cross pollination and self pollination divide कर देंगे. So accordingly the marks are there, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. ask you, this will be for 3 marks, this is for 3 marks, ये दो 3 marks, ये दो 3 marks, and 1 mark for the definition. 4 mark के लिए आ सकता है. किसी जमाने में मैंने बोला था मार्च 91 में ये 8 मार्क के लिए आया था. And if God is listening to your prayers, please tell God to put this in paper. आपके साथ में सबका भला होएगा, क्योंकि ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जिसमें डायग्राम नहीं है और आप लोग को हमेशा आलसी होता है डायग्राम बनाने के लिए. You don't put that drawing, you don't want to practice the diagrams. Biology you want to study at the last minute. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है आप लोग को प्रैक्टिस करो, पढ़ाई करो, नहीं करते हो, करके नहीं दिया कल का पाठ. मैंने बोला था स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओव्यूल देखना है, पढ़ना है, मेरे को आंसर लिख के भेजो, नहीं भेजा है किसी ने. So you have not ready to do that particular efforts from your side, and you all are going to study when the exam is announced last day को. फिर आया नहीं तो बाढ़ में गया. वैसा बायोलॉजी नहीं पढ़ते हैं. बायोलॉजी रेगुलरली पढ़ाई करोगे तो आपका, वरना आपका नुकसान है. And I'm not scaring you all, I'm making you all aware. मेरे को डराना नहीं है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना है. आप इसमें से शॉर्ट में समझ जाओ what I am expecting from you all. When I give you all the assignment, I expect you all to do that assignment. Agreed? Now, coming to this, contrivances of pollination. Coming to the next part, that is contrivances of pollination. What do I mean by this contrivances? Contrivances means adaptations. वो फ्लावर में क्या एडेप्टेशन है ताकि वही प्रकार का पॉलिनेशन उसमें होना चाहिए. That in turn we call it as contrivances. वो कुदरत ने किया, क्रिएटर ने किया उनमें, ताकि यही प्रकार का पॉलिनेशन उनमें हो और यह स्पीशीज कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए अपने अर्थ पे. So this in turn we call it as contrivances of pollination. The contrivances of pollination in turn are for self-pollination as well as they are there for cross-pollination. For self-pollination you have, for the Schuberschat process, for the pollination to take place, the flower has bisexual. अगर जो बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर नहीं होएगा, डेफिनेटली पॉलिनेशन होने का चांस ही नहीं है, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होने का चांस ही नहीं है. करेक्ट हो नो? Unisexual होएगा तो definitely I'm depending upon something else ना, pollen
Yes,
grain from some
ma'am.
other plant. So bisexuality is a character which has been introduced into the flower so that self pollination could take place. Another thing over here is we call it as homogamy. Another one is called as homogamy. What do I mean by the term homogamy? Homo is similar or same. Gamy is marriage or gametes. Correct? Gamy means marriage or gametes. Homo means similar, as I had done last time. Homogeneous tissue. Homopolysaccharide. Sorry. Homo monosaccharides are there. Same type of monosaccharides. So homopolysaccharide. Different types of monosaccharides. So heteropolysaccharide. Same spores, homogeneous. Different spores, heterogeneous. याद आ रहा है? आपने किया था. Homomorphic, similar morphologically. Heteromorphic, morphologically dissimilar. Correct? वो terminology
Yes,
आया ना
ma'am.
अपने को. Homo means same. Hetero means different. तो यहाँ पे मैं बोलती हूँ it is called as homogamy. यानी कि दोनों sex cells होता है एंड्रोशियम गाइनेशियम, दोनों एक के टाइम पे मेच्योर होना चाहिए, दोनों एक के टाइम पे गेमेट्स प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए, तब भी ही सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन होगा, वरना नहीं होगा. एंड द लास्ट वन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूएंस फॉर द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन इज क्लिस्टोगैमी. क्लिस्टोगैमी यानी कि क्या है? द फ्लावर इज इन द बड कंडीशन, कली के रूप में. वो कली के रूप में एंड्रोशियम गाइनेशियम दोनों मैच्योर हो गए हैं और अंदर पॉलिनेशन हो गया कली के अंदर ही. उसके बाद में क्योंकि कली के अंदर ही मैच्योरिटी हो गया, पॉलिनेशन हो गया, डेफिनेटली इट इज सेड टू बी अ श्योर शॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन. Therefore, we say clistos is nothing but closed. Gamy means marriage. Marriage taking place in a closed is called as clistogamy. These three are said to be the contrivances or the adaptations by the nature or the for having a sure shot process of self pollination. ठीक है? No problem. Can we proceed further?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then for the things cross pollination, what are the contrivances? First contrivance for the cross pollination is unisexuality. You have seen nar and mada plants. papaya का एक plant है जिसमें खाली flowers है, that is the nर plant, male plant. में flowers और fruits है, that is the female plant. मादा plant, नर and मादा. Unisexual है तभी तो cross pollination है. Declining. This can also be called as declining. Sorry. Unisexuality can also be called as declining. Another one over here is said to be self-sterility. Now for this self-sterility, I can explain you in our language day to day. You all know that, no doubt, we are stronger, but physically we are weaker. If a person is trying to have sex with me, I'm taking my own example. I tried myself to save, but I could not. That person did. Correct, in raping me. What I did? ठीक है, आपको success मिल गया ना? You will not be able to utter a word now. I will go and commit suicide. What happened? The sperms which he has given it to me, they have not been nourished only. The sperms withered off, my ovum withered off, I withered off, मैं मर गई. अब क्या करेगा? यानी कि किसी को पता भी नहीं चला. It has become. The same is observed in the case of plants also. Certain stigmas are such that they said that we don't want XYZ pollen grains. And by chance, if those pollen grains happen to land upon that stigma, they will not nourish it. The pollen grain सड़ जाएगा, मर जाएगा. स्टिग्मा सड़ जाएगा, स्टाइल सड़ जाएगा, ओवरी सड़ जाएगा, फ्लावर सड़ जाएगा, प्लांट सड़ जाएगा, लेकिन उसको सक्सेसफुल नहीं होएगा. That is called as self-sterility. It is observed in the case of orchid. It is observed in the case of orchid. Other one is said to be dichogamy. These are bisexual flowers. These are observed in the case of bisexual flowers. But these bisexual flowers have different times of maturation. जिसको आप hermaphrodite बोलते हो ना, वैसे ही है bisexual. पर उनका maturity अलग अलग है. When the male matures first, it is called as protandry. And when the male matures first, it is called as protogyny. Protandry example is your sunflower or hibiscus also you can consider, standard one. Whereas protogyny, the female is maturing much before the males. Example is Sonsapa, that is Michaelia. Botanical name of that is Michaelia, Sonsapa. I hope my Marathi is proper. Sonsafa. If you are from Marathi, you will be able to check spelling. Okay. No problem. Till here. I want to see
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
notes. Moving this on this page so that I'll turn the page then. Any problem?
No,
You have any
ma'am.
problem, my dear friends? Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The other contrivance is called as heterostyly. Break the term. Hetero means different. Styly is style. A flower is in such a way that there are two different lengths of the style. Observed in the case of primula as well as jasmine. Flower A, flower B. In flower A, you can style is elongated. Whereas in flower B, the style is short. The stamens in the flower A are situated deep down in the throat. Whereas the stamens over here in flower B are situated around the rim. Correct? What will happen? The pollen grains from flower B will go to the stigma of flower A. And the pollen grains from flower A will go to the stigma of flower B. Now, since there are two different lengths of the styles. We call this particular phenomena as heterostyly. We call this phenomena as heterostyly. This particular thing in your 12th standard, when you're appearing for NEET by chance, that time they will be mentioning as pin. This stigma is called as pin-eyed stigma. The stigma which is having an elongated style is said to be pin-eyed stigma. And the other one, where the style is short, it is said to be thumb-eyed stigma. It is said to be thumb-eyed stigma. ये आपका नीट अगर जो आप जा रहे हो तो ये किधर ना किधर MCQs में आता है. Where they will not mention heterostyly, they will say this particular thing, pin-eyed stigma or thumb-eyed stigma is what. So you should be aware about the terminology. It is used for what, or it is appearing where? It is appearing in heterostyly, which is a contrivance for cross-pollination. Clear?
Yes,
Then you have the next one that is called as hercogamy. Hercogamy is said to be a physical barrier. It is a physical barrier in the flowers so that it will show only one particular type of pollination. And this physical barrier is observed in the case of Calotropis. Example is Calotropis. This Calotropis, you all must have seen the flowers, purplish or lavender color flowers, move color flowers. You all must have seen on Saturday, that is today. हनुमान जी का जिधर मंदिर होता है ना, उधर गार्लैंड इसके पत्तों का भी मिलता है, फ्लावर्स का भी मिलता है. आप मराठी में इसको रूही बोलते हो, गुजराती में अकनो जड़ बोलते हैं. And normally in English we call it as Calotropis porcera. Correct? The flowers appear how? ऐसा पेंटागन के जैसा उसके पास ऊपर रहता है पिलर. यहां से आपको ऐसा पिलर दिखाई देगा. पेटल्स नीचे की तरफ. ये फिजिकल बैरियर है. करेक्ट? यहाँ पे जो है ना पोलिनिया रहेगा. Each is having this.
मैम नीचे का पेज नहीं दिख रहा है.
ये वाला अभी दिखा.
यस मैम.
ये हर एक कॉर्नर ब्लैक कलर स्ट्रक्चर दिखता है. ये हम लोग है ना फोर्सेप्स से निकालते हैं और माइक्रोस्कोप में देखेंगे, अपने को ऐसा दिखेगा पार्ट. करेक्ट? That part is nothing but it is said to be the pollinia, wherein the first part is said to be the corpuscle, the cortical and the pollen sac. याद रखो तो ठीक है, नहीं तो भूल जाओ. खाली अंदाजा होना चाहिए, इसके लिए बताया है, otherwise it is not there. Correct? अभी some books for this heterostyly are also mentioning the term as heterostyly. यानी कि morphologically अलग है. अपना टेक्स्ट बुक is not mentioning. Again the same way NEET का books are mentioning heteromorphy. Yet the next type, which is called as कितना हो अपना types? पीछे की तरफ अपना था dichogamy, unisexuality 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have the sixth type. The sixth type we call it as prepotency. Prepotency. Now, what is observed in the case of prepotency? Pollen grains from the other flowers are germinating rapidly. दूसरे फ्लावर का pollen grain इस स्टिग्मा के ऊपर गिरा, फटाफट germinate होता है. Correct? Then the pollen grains from the same flower. Pollination आगे चल के वो होता ही नहीं है ना, लेकिन उसको nourishment मिला, pollen grain male gametophyte बना है, लेकिन आगे जाके वो fusion वगैरह नहीं हो रहा है. That is observed in the case of apple. It is observed in the case of apple. Correct? The pollen grains from the other flowers are germinating over the stigma. Then the pollen grains from the same flower, they much faster उसके खुद के फ्लावर के पोलन ग्रेन से ये अदर फ्लावर का पोलन ग्रेन जल्दी जल्दी जर्मिनेट, that phenomena we call it as prepotency. That phenomena is called as prepotency. Correct? That is pertaining to all the contrivances of cross pollination. That is pertaining to all the contrivances of cross pollination. So the contrivances for cross pollination as, वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना, आपने पहला नहीं देखा है ना. One second. Pollination. Refer it. New boy who has entered today. Candidate, who is that? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding the speed and all is fine with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you can get my number through ma'am or through these students. And if you have any problem pertaining to the earlier units, you can always get back to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If I'm to pick up your call, at least within 24 hours, I'll call you back. 24 hours का मेरे को time limit देना, please. ठीक है? Okay.
ठीक, ma'am.
Pollination, transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma, autogamy, geitonogamy, xenogamy, hybrid. All the terms I think is very clear. Later on, you will come across a list of gametes. Huh? Don't worry. I think there are nearly 13 to 14 gametes. आएगा जब ये उधर करेगी, अभी दिमाग फोड़ी नहीं करने का, अभी ध्यान में रखो खाली. Then you have merits and demerits of self and cross pollination. This can be asked at distinguishing also. Distinguish between self and cross pollination. Demerits को भी distinguishing में लिख सकते हो, no problem. Definition लिख के ये लिख दो, correct है. Agreed. Then is contrivances for pollination.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हुआ, किसी को बात करना है? कुछ क्रैक हो रहा है वॉल्यूम आपका? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? ओके. कॉन्ट्रीवेंसेस ऑफ पॉलिनेशन, सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन में 3 है. बाइसेक्सुअलिटी, बाइसेक्सुअल में भी वो होमोगैमी होना चाहिए, दोनों सेक्स ऑर्गन्स एक ही टाइम पे मैच्योर होना चाहिए, तभी वो सक्सेसफुल होगा, वरना कुछ मतलब का नहीं है. करेक्ट? नहीं तो अर्थवर्म आपका हर्माफ्रोडाइट है. करेक्ट? यट इट इज शोइंग क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन और क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन. क्यों? क्योंकि होता है, फीमेल बाद में होता है. तो मेल मैच्योर हो गया, फीमेल अभी तक है नहीं, तो क्या करेगा वो? दूसरे फीमेल के पास जा रहा है. करेक्ट? जब फीमेल मैच्योर है तभी उसका मेल तो बुढ़ा हो चुका है, अभी तो स्पॉन्ज नहीं दे रहा है, तो वो दूसरे से लेगा. तो इट इज शोइंग अ प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. करेक्ट? और क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन यू कैन से. द सेम वे वही हो, बाइसेक्सुअल होना जरूरी है, प्लस साइमल्टेनियसली इट शुड बी होमोगैमी. बोथ द गैमेट्स शुड बी प्रोड्यूस्ड एट द सेम टाइम. It is successful, otherwise no. And the other one is क्लिस्टोगैमी. बड कंडीशन में कली के रूप में पॉलिनेशन हो जाता है, बाद में फूल खिलता है. करेक्ट? नेक्स्ट इज फॉर क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन यू हैव यूनिसेक्सुअलिटी व्हिच कैन आल्सो बी कॉल्ड एज डिक्लाइनिंग. सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. करेक्ट? Okay, you all have succeeded to fall on the stigma will not nourish it. What happened? Withering होता है, मर जाता है, सड़ जाता है, प्लांट सड़ जाएगा, तो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ. सेल्फ स्टेरिलिटी. डाइकोगैमी, bisexual plants, but both the sexes have at different times. Male matures earlier, we call the condition as protandry. If female matures earlier, we call the condition as protogyny. Example for protandry is sunflower. That time also you can consider it. But sunflower अगर जो rare हो तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा disflorate of sunflower. Example. क्योंकि sunflower is an inflorescence. Capitulum inflorescence. जो बाजी में आपको golden जैसे दिखता है ना, that is individually of female sterile flower, बांझ flower है female का, and that is called as ray floret. एक बोलते हैं, जैसे vein veinlets, rootlets, leaflets, वैसे flower का floret हो गया. वो एक पंखड़ी है ना, एक फ्लावर है, वो फीमेल फ्लावर है, वो बांझ फ्लावर है. और सेंटर में जो डिस्क है ना, ब्लैकिश ग्रीन इन कलर या ग्रीनिश ब्लैक इन कलर, उसमें जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं ना, डॉट 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 जो आप बनाते हो, उसमें जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं वो होता है फ्लोरेट. छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स है, डिस्क फ्लोरेट. तो इट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन द प्रोटैंड्री इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन द केस ऑफ डिस्क फ्लोरेट ऑफ सनफ्लावर. याद रहा तो ठीक. राइट नाउ यू कैन फॉरगेट इट. Protogyny observed in the case of Michaelia champaka, Son safa. येलो गोल्डन आता है, फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छा रहता है, वो इट इज शोइंग प्रोटोगाइनी, फीमेल इज मैच्योरिंग मच बिफोर द मेल. Then you have the other one that is called as heteromorphy or heterostyly. There are two different lengths morphologically of the style observed in the case of primula or jasmine. Flower A and flower A is having elongated style, flower B is having a short style. Flower A, the stamens are deeply seated. Flower B, the stamens are at the corolla. Correct? Next. Flower A can also be called as, the style can also be called over here as pin stigma. The style of flower B can be called as thrum-eyed stigma. Apogamy. It's a physical barrier which the creator has done. I and you have not done it. Observed in the case of Calotropis. ये लेवेंडर या पर्पल या मूव कलर का फ्लावर रहता है. करेक्ट? ऐसा पिलर के जैसा आपको दिखता है, ऐसा ऊपर और नीचे की तरफ पेटल्स दिखते हैं. ये ध्यान पूर्वक यहाँ पे देखोगे ना, तो कॉर्नर पे ना कुछ काला काला डॉट के जैसा दिखता है. हम लोग पतला फॉर्सेप लेके उसको हम लोग ने माउंट किया था. We see under the microscope the structure like this, this is having the pollen sacs, pollen grain. Then you have the next one, prepotency. स्टिग्मा के ऊपर कोई भी रैंडमली पोलन ग्रेन्स आ गया, नरिशमेंट लेके वो फटाफट जर्मिनेशन होता है, फास्टेस्ट वे जर्मिनेशन होता है. करेक्ट? तो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस खुद का पोलन ग्रेन्स इतना फास्ट नहीं होता जितना दूसरे का हो रहा है. So that we call it as prepotency. It is observed in the case of apple. Because of this only, apple is said to be a pseudo fruit. क्योंकि खुद का पॉलिनेशन नहीं हो रहा है उधर, फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स अ सूडो फ्रूट. थैलेमस आप खाते हो, आप एप्पल में थैलेमस खाते हो. एप्पल, पेयर, आप एग्रीड, पूरा का पूरा टॉरस या रिसेप्टेकल खा रहे हो. इज इट क्लियर टिल यू? एनी प्रॉब्लम? प्रॉब्लम इज ए?
No, ma'am.
कैन आई प्रोसीड फर्दर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Before proceed, just see over here. Pollination, transfer of pollen grains from the anthers to the stigma, autogamy of the same flower, geitonogamy of another flower but same plant, xenogamy of another flower, another plant but same species, hybrid, another flower, another plant, another species. Pollination, self-pollination, autogamy, cross-pollination is also called. Next, autogamy, geitonogamy, xenogamy, hybridization. We have already used these terms. Self-pollination, cross-pollination का distinguishing. आप ये points पढ़ेंगे, so these points are exactly हम लोग ने merge कर दिया है. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther. ये definition है. Next, anther and the stigma mature at the same time. Anther and the stigma mature at different times. It is a sure process. It is not a sure process. Wastage of pollen grains is less or negligible. Wastage of pollen grains is maximum. No wastage of energy. Waste of energy. मैंने बोला ना merits and demerits डाल दिया. Pure line varieties can be obtained. Pure line varieties cannot be obtained. Undesirable characters cannot be eliminated. Undesirable characters can be eliminated. No new varieties are formed. Does not help in evolution. Helps in evolution. Yield of the plant gradually decreases. Yield of the plant is maintained. Only one plant is involved in self-pollination. More than one plant are involved in cross-pollination. External agent not required. External agent required. Correct? Then you have
मैम वो अनडिजायरेबल वाला पॉइंट बताओ ना एक बार.
कौन सा?
Undesirable.
कैरेक्टर. अच्छा, अभी सपोजिंग मैं हूं या आप हैं, कुछ भी कोई कैरेक्टर है अपना, पसंद नहीं है किसी को. करेक्ट? अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर. जैसे प्लांट्स में होता है, इन्फेक्शन आ जाता है, डिजीज आ जाता है, तो वो अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर है ना, अपने को चाहिए नहीं ना डिजीज में, प्लांट्स में.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
तो दैट इज अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर. तो वो मेरे को हटाने का है, तो आई कैन डू इट बाय हाइब्रिडाइजेशन टेक्निक. तो undesirable characters can be removed, cannot be removed. Correct? Can be removed, cannot be removed. वो निकाल सकते हैं, नहीं निकाल सकते हैं, ऐसा है. So here we are saying undesirable characters cannot be eliminated self pollination में, but they can be removed in cross pollination. क्योंकि वो bagging tagging आप करते हो, इमेज करते हैं हम लोग, उसमें से मेल प्लांट निकाल देते हैं, मेल कैरेक्टर निकाल देते हैं, बाद में वो खाली फीमेल प्लांट रखते हैं, दूसरे का जो अच्छा वाला है उसका पोलन ग्रेन्स लेके इसके ये स्टिग्मा के ऊपर डिपॉजिट करते हैं, मे भी कुछ तो अच्छा आया होगा ना, वो उसका लिया है आपने जो,
Yes,
करेक्ट है
ma'am.
ना? तो दैट वी कॉल इट एज डिजायरेबल, अनडिजायर, अच्छे और नहीं अच्छे, गलत कैरेक्टर्स, एग्रीड? तो अभी
Yes, ma'am.
आपका गेहूं आता है, चावल आता है, आपने कभी कभी देखा होगा चावल मम्मी जब चुनती है तो ब्लैक ब्लैक राइस होता है, कभी कभी गेहूं चुनती है तो रेड रेड होता है, अंदर रस्ट डिजीज होता है। तो अगर जो 5 किलो में एक आध आया तो दैट इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज इन्फेक्शियस, वो करेक्ट। लेकिन 5 किलो में हर मुट्ठी जो मम्मी ले रही है साफ करने के लिए, हर एक में 5 निकलता है, तो इन्फेक्शन है ना।
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
वो अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर अपने को निकालना पड़ेगा, वो डिजीज वाला प्लांट डिजीज का निकालने का है। तो दैट अनडिजायरेबल कैरेक्टर cannot be changed, and undesirable character can be changed in the case of cross pollination. Clear है? No problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
ओके okay. अभी वही सेम चीज है, एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस वापस आया है, करेक्ट? बराबर है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम टिल यू, श्योरली वही चीज मैंने यहाँ पे
No,
डाली है,
ma'am.
for your, ठीक है? Then we are moving on to the next unit, that is something pertaining to pollinating agents. Should we go ahead or the time is up? टाइम है कि टाइम अप हो गया है? लेक्चर 6 बजे तक का था ना?
हाँ मैम.
ओके, नाउ विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। और रिक्वेस्ट इज है यहाँ तक आप पढ़ लेना प्लीज, ओके? नेक्स्ट सैटरडे
Yes, ma'am.
बाय, सी ऑल। वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद
Bye,
pollinating,
ma'am.
we have to
Yes,
start
ma'am.
with pollinating agents। हाँ, मैं टाइटल लिख के रख देती हूँ, pollinating agents। ऑल द बेस्ट डियर, बाय।
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
मोस्ट वेलकम डियर।
Bye, ma'am. Bye.